Hello, my name's Gemma. I am the content editor at Brewers in Albany, and today I'm here to talk to you about complementary whites. So complementary whites aren't a pure white. You have those with cooler undertones and those with warmer undertones. For example, Sidley white has a cooler purple undertone in it, which means that this is both ideal for a lilac or more lavender hue, such as Kit's Coty, because they have the same colours within them. If you wanted for a more complementary scheme, you could also pair Sidley white with a green colour, as these colours sit opposite each other on the colour wheel. So another thing to consider when you're choosing the right white is to look at the lighting that's available within your space. So for example, if you have a south-facing room that benefits lots of nice, warm, sunny light, you would want to choose a white with a slightly cooler undertone, as this will work to balance out the warmth already available in the space. But in reverse, if you have a space that is north-facing that may feel a little bit darker, choose a white that has a slightly warmer undertone in it, because this will then make the room feel naturally just that little bit warmer. When choosing colours, it's really important to grab sample pots and see how they look in your space. Head into your local Brewers Decorator centre to pick up your colours today.